going to take out the freak comb that they're not doing anything with. And I have better comb back in the studio that I'll swap this out with later. Possibly this weekend. Okay. So these guys are upset. Oh my gosh. Alright, so what we have here is an X-brood frame with about 4 pounds of honey on this side and 3 pounds of honey on the other side. So it's definitely a bit of an oof to get it up and out of the box. Queen's not here. Doubtful she would be, but that was one of the original frames that we got. Okay. Now on to the next one. All right, we have a okay. That answers that question. Our queen is no longer the yellow dotted queen. These guys had a supersede yourself.
What does a supersede yourself?
Supersede yourself, which is this little creature right here, and it looks like she just hatched within the last day or two. Means that they didn't like their queen. Now on the day we got them, they had a cell in there, and it's neatly. Sorry, I'm getting close to you here, but you are protected. It's neatly cropped open. And can you see it?
Yeah.
All right. It's neatly cropped open, so she has come out. And all I can say is, while I'm not happy about this particular outcome, I am happy that that they did something about it, and that we have excellent drone stock. So, knowing this is some of her last brood. So all the brood that I've been finding is about 4 to 6 days old. Like I've been finding larvae that's in the little circular stages. So that explains the song of this hive. So if they've got a new queen, I am going to just snug this up, and we're going to leave them for a week. We're not going to touch them. We're not going to do anything to them. We're just going to leave them for a week. Okay. Because if they have a new queen and we fuss with them, they might kill her. Everything that happens in a hive is the queen's fault. Once we're sure that she's in and laying, then we'll give her another frame of brood to boost her up. there for now. If we don't have progress in a week or two, we'll definitely add a frame of brood to buff them up before they go. And the donor cells will come from Hive A. Alright, so that's one troubled hive dealt with. Well, it's been a gloriously sunny Wednesday morning. My poor bee yard has been invaded by strangers, stomping around, poking at things, mocking the bees. Oh God, the mockery! Oh, I caught it all out because you don't want to hear it, but oh, the mockery. Hive A has made itself a new queen, so we're going to have to wait a few days before we can go back in and check for Sasquatch. Check for albino Sasquatch. Yes, albino Sasquatch are taking over Hive A. No, so the queen is hatched, and you know, I'll wait a few days. On the weekend, we'll take a look again and see if we can see her. Hive 2 is just, they're doing amazingly well. They have tons of brood built up. They've got it all packed away. If you know, there's no more activity by the weekend, we'll go back in there, take another look. So my thanks today to Carter, Nathaniel, and Jacob for coming with me today and helping me irritate the bees. And that is Jacob's enormous thumb that you're seeing there. It could crush the universe, or at least a bug. You want to get him to back off? Show him a bee.
Yeah, he runs away.
He runs away.
These guys heard nothing.
He's trying to hush me. Hushing works not when I sit on my throne of gravel.
Which you're gonna have us do manual labor.
Yep. So a friend of mine has lent me her sons to do manual labor. There's Nathaniel. He could wait no longer behind
The gravel.
the gravel. Understandable. So, ooh, pretty. So we're hot, we're sweaty, and I'm out.